Hello everyone and welcome to my Python tutorial for GCSE Computer Science students. In this video I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of my finished program, and here's some of the code for it. It runs to about 120 lines so far, and then point you in the direction of some additional instructions, support materials, PowerPoint-like presentations. There may be worksheets on here, and certainly there are going to be videos included in this one. So this is where I'm going to present everything to you. Okay, let's have a quick look at the program running, and I'll press F5 and that's going to run. You'll see that we've got this text-based menu system. Now the program, which I've called NAMELAND, is a little bit like a database of people's names, and then we can search them, sort them, etc. So here are the options. So let's do one for show all so we can see the names. And you see the menu comes up again. Now those are the names to people in our database. Now those names are loaded from this text file, which you can edit yourself or even make your own. They are intentionally not formatted in a consistent way, in that I've added some leading white space and trailing white space, and also some of the names are two names, first and last name, whereas some are just a single name. So that's intentional. We'll come on to that later in another video. Option 2, search name. We could do that, couldn't we, just to try this out. So let's search for Paul this time, see what we come up with. Well, we've got John Paul and Paul Peterson. At the moment these names are not sorted, so if we choose 3, hopefully that's now sorted, and then we choose option 1 to show all of the names again, and now they're sorted. And option 9 can be quit, and there's a farewell message. Okay, so that's a quick demonstration of the program. Do carry on watching the videos and reading the resources, which you can find on this webpage, and I will link it in the video description too. That's it for now.